Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your ClickFunnel, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you add a YouTube video into one of your ClickFunnels? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to add a YouTube video into one of your ClickFunnels anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business doing landing pages, you know that having a video describing your product can help increase conversions. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your ClickFunnels dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my ClickFunnels, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to add a YouTube video into one of your ClickFunnels, here on the left, you're going to click on funnels. Once you do that, you're going to see all of the different funnels you're running. So go ahead and just choose the one that you want to add a YouTube video into. So for example, this one right here, and just click on the name of the funnel. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see all the pages you have in your funnel. So just scroll through and then choose the page you're going to add the YouTube video to. So for example, maybe this thank you page, I'm going to have a testimonial YouTube video in there. So I'll click here on edit. Okay, so once you click there, it's going to be the editor for this ClickFunnel page. So ClickFunnels is set up into different sections and also different elements. So in each section, it's going to house various elements. So you're going to scroll down to the section you want the video to show up. So for example, let's see here, maybe I want it to be after this thank you. So I can just hover over this and I can add an element right below the thank you, or I can go down here to the bottom and I can add another section and a blank section. And then once I have a new section, I can go ahead and add an element. So for this video, I'm just going to go ahead and add an element. So right below the thank you, let me click add element. Once you do that, you're going to see this pop up here on the right, and you want to scroll through until you see this button here called video. Click on there. Okay, now we're going to click onto the video. And once you do that, it's going to open up this editor to the right. And here is where you can go ahead and add a YouTube video. We're just going to paste the YouTube video URL here. So it doesn't even need to be one of your YouTube videos. It could be any YouTube video that has the share feature. So let me go ahead and open up YouTube. Okay, so I just opened up one of my YouTube videos, and like I said, they just need to have the share feature. So for example, right here, let's click on share, and then we're going to grab this link right here. So copy link, and now we're done on YouTube, and we can go back here to our funnel, and right here where it said video URL, we're just going to paste that right in. And as you can see, it adds our YouTube video right into our ClickFunnel. Now you can play with the controls as well. So if you want it to autoplay, I'm going to leave that on. So that way, immediately when it comes into the thank you page, this video is going to start playing. So once you've changed the settings as you like, go ahead and click on save here on the top right. Okay, now it's saved. So anybody who shows up onto this thank you page inside my ClickFunnels, they're going to see this YouTube video right here in my ClickFunnels. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to add a YouTube video into one of your ClickFunnel pages, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.